Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions and the correct region. You need Ec2, stop instances and describe access. Once done, identify the instance ID and verify it's EBS-backed so data persists. Make a quick snapshot if you need a rollback. This avoids surprises. Now open the console or prepare the AWS CLI. Run Oz Ec2, stop instances instance IDs I012345678 updef0 to initiate. Once the stop command is issued, make sure dependent systems won't recreate or replace the instance. You must check auto-scaling groups and lifecycle hooks because an ASG can launch a new instance automatically. Disable or detach the instance first. Make sure any elastic IP or load balancer mapping is handled. You may want to disassociate prior to stopping. Monitor the stop with Describe Instance Status. This gives you state and health checks, so you know when the instance is truly offline and safe to modify. You finish by verifying the instance state is stopped in the console or via CLI, and then confirm attached EBS volumes and snapshots are intact. If you want to preserve a golden image, create an AMI now. Otherwise, release any elastic IPs you don't need. If the instance remains in stopping or pending, check instance and system status checks, examine auto-scaling events, and review CloudTrail for API activity. If unresolved, escalate to support with the instance ID and recent logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.